Samsung has launched its new smartphone under F series in India called Galaxy F70e with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F70e 5G boasts a tall 6.7-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy F70e 5G sports a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16, based on One UI 8 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 6 years of OS and security updates. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.4 by 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F70e 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from February 17th in limelight green and spotlight blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy F70e 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.